Hello everybody and welcome to another makeup video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today and let's get started. Okay, so I already did my makeup. Everything's done except my eyes and my lips. And I wanted to share this look with you because I have something festive in mind, something really cute and something that's gonna pop for the holiday season. So I'm gonna get this fluffy brush and I'm gonna pick up this right here. It's Espresso Yourself. It's like a it's a brown eyeshadow. Okay, and I'm gonna place that on my crease and I'm gonna move it all the way up close to my brow. And I'm gonna tell you right now as I'm doing my makeup what foundation I'm using today. I'm moisturized with my regular moisturizer, this one right here by La Roche-Posay, and I prime with the Sephora Smooth and Blur. Okay, and the foundation I'm using today is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and that's what I'm using today. And my blush is by L'Oreal. It's Confident Pink by L'Oreal, this one right here. My concealer, it's the Makeup Geek Cool Medium, or I think it's called Complicated. And I'm wearing my lip oil by NYX. I love this one so much. I prime my eyes with my concealer by L'Oreal, the Infallible by L'Oreal. And yeah, I just wanted to do this look with you guys. Oh, and my brows, I use the Makeup Geek pencil, eyebrow pencil, this one right here. It's in medium brown. Oh, something itches here. Just want to scratch it. Okay, so pick up some more brown and do this side. Oops, I overdid it. It's okay, we can fix that. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick up this palette right here. It's the MAC Art Library. It's Designer, that's what it's called. And it has all these beautiful colors right here. So I'm gonna pick up this blue right here. I'm so nervous, but I'm actually excited at the same time because I can't wait to see how this is gonna turn out. And I got a pointy brush. This was the M519 by Morphe. Okay. And I'm gonna place it on the outer part of my eye, like out here, right on top of that brown crease color. Get some more. I want that color to stand out, so I'm gonna pack it as much as possible to show its true color. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I know it looks wild. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the silver color right here. Okay, the blue one was called Triennial Wave. And then the High Concept is this one right here. High Concept is the silver color that I'm gonna place on my lid. I'm picking that up with my flat shading brush. This one's the MAC 239. And I'm gonna pick up my MAC Fix Plus. I'm getting tangled. And I'm gonna spray the thing so it can stand out. And place it on my lid. I go high because I have hooded eyes. And I want to make sure it shows when I have my eyes open. So right about there. The silver looks blue. Trying to see how it looks on the camera. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up my smudge brush. This one's by Real Techniques. And I'm gonna pick up the blue I used for the top area. This one right here. And I'm gonna use it for the bottom. Okay, so I just placed my mascara. I curled my lashes, did my mascara, now I'm putting my lashes on. The lashes I'm using today, I swear I have like a lint or an itch. I don't know. I have the Kiss Shy lashes and they look like this. And those are the ones I am placing today. These are the ones, and yes, sometimes I reuse them. So I reuse them after a certain point and then there's like no return. So I just throw them away. I was looking at this look and I was like, what if I darken the outer corners to turn it into a nighttime? You can either leave it like that or get the black, and I'll show you. I'm gonna get a brush like this, small, put it on, and I know it's kind of difficult with the lashes. I mean, I could do it. Just to give it a little more dimension. See the difference? Just a little bit of dimension. I'm gonna pick up my smudge brush, this one right here, pick up the black, and I can line the bottom, just the outer part of it, the bottom lash line. This could be like a nighttime look. And there it is. Okay, so now I'm ready for the lips. And the lip liner that I want to use today, it's by Wet n Wild. I want to find a lip liner just like this. It's called Willow 712. Willow. And I'm going to outline my lips and fill them in with this lip liner. And this is how the lip liner looks on my lips. I really love this color. I love it. It's like the perfect nude for my skin tone. But let's move on. Okay, I thought about putting a gloss on top of that. This one is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. They're really cute. I love the packaging on this, and the applicator is big, so I like that. I'm just putting it in the center just to give it a nice glossy look. This one is called Petal, so it's like a pinky tone. And there it is, everybody. Now I'm gonna do my Fix Plus. Okay, everybody, and this completes my makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a beautiful holiday makeup look. Thank you to all my subscribers, everybody who has subscribed and keeps coming back and watching my videos. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And thank you so much. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and comment. Let me know what you think about my makeup look. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video.